Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a cool background video like this. And I'm going to do this on CapCut. So first, open your CapCut and then start a new project in here. And then go to stock videos and under it, click on the black background. And you can change the format if you want. So I'm gonna change it into 9 by 16. So here is the video, and then after that the black background, go to effect, video effects, and then go to nature. So you can actually use nature on or also details, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your video the best. But now I'm going to just choose nature and then find the snow effect. So the snowfall effect, click on that and then click on the check icon, and in here you can also adjust the speed, but I'm going to leave it as it is. And then go to overlay and add a white image under the stock videos as an overlay. So here, adjust the size and drag it to the top, and in here you can adjust the opacity, lower the opacity of the white overlay. Okay, I'm going to lower it into around 70. Click on the check icon and then click on mask, choose split, and I drag the arrow to add some fade effects. So in here you can just adjust the white overlay, and then after that export the video, and then click on done and start a new project. Click on the previous video, and then here go to filters and find the BNW and choose Warlock. This one, click on the check icon and then go to effects, video effects, and then find basic and choose the edge glow. Okay, here is the final result for the background, and you can just add your video in the overlay. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment, click on thanks, and also subscribe. That's it from today. See you guys next time.